Now, I'll draw, basically the shape of the universe is not a sphere, and it's a little bit expanded. It's kind of like a swollen Smartie is probably the best way to explain it. So we'll take that sort of like swollen Smartie and we'll just pull it out a bit, because all the layers of reality are superimposed upon one another. When we talk about the sixth dimension, you don't leave here to go to somewhere else to get there. It's right here with us in the same room. When we talk about the seventh, eighth or ninth dimension, same goes. It's all here in the room with us. It's just another frequency. Your atoms need to oscillate and spin at a different rate, a different frequency. And people who levitate, for example, how can they do that? There's been many reports of people walking through walls. Gee, how do they do that? And I know that sounds a bit mad for conventional train of thought, but that's all very possible if you know how to control your being, your body, and alter its vibrational state to get your own atoms to spin at a different rate. Therefore you can then gel in and out of this reality. The military works with cloaking devices which makes things invisible, and that's quite well known. It's no mystery. That's how they do it. But they use technology to do that. Okay, so the basic structure is up here, and I'm drawing it visually. So as you know, these are all superimposed upon one another. But this is the best way to present it visually for you. And we know, it being a waveform universe, it's basically you have polarity. So you have, cycles. So you can say that's a positive and negative cycle. That's the way we're used to looking at things.